Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure the JDK is installed and Java Home points to it. Next, open Visual Studio Code and install the Java extension pack so you get language support, debugger, and project tools. Once done, create a project folder and open that folder in VSCode to work inside the editor. Make sure to choose a simple folder name. This keeps paths short and avoids class path issues while you begin writing your first Java file. You now create the standard src/main/java layout, add a package, and create main. Java with a main method so you have an entry point. Use the run view or the code lens run link above main to compile and execute quickly. VS Code uses the language server to manage class path. If you need custom builds or runtime arguments, generate launch. JSON and tasks. JSON from the run panel, then edit the args, VM args, and class path, and you finish by validating behavior with the debugger and tests. Set breakpoints and use step over or step into to observe execution. Inspect variables and call stacks to understand state. Add JUnit tests under src/test/java and run them from the testing view for repeatable checks. If something fails, open the Problems panel, verify the JDK version and workspace settings, and restart the language server. That usually resolves class path or extension hiccups quickly, so you can
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.